Want to turn your vibe, your job, or even your dream workspace into a super cute 3D scene? Like this? You don't need any 3D skills, just ChatGPT. This is the prompt I used, and you can totally make it yours. Just fill in the blanks. That's it. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Job. Write your profession or passion, like data scientist, tattoo artist, musician, gamer, anything. Name or alias. This is what appears on your neon sign. Use your real name, username, or even a cool nickname. Favorite colors. Choose the vibe. Red tones, pastel pink, moody blue, whatever feels like you. Quote or brand. Add your favorite quote or your personal catchphrase, like create every day or powered by coffee. Character look. Describe yourself in a cute chibi style. Short wavy hair, glasses, cozy hoodie, work tools. Add the stuff you use daily, laptop, sketchbook, headphones, mic, camera, etc. Personal touches. Decorate with your favorite things, plants, mugs, posters, books, figures. Once your prompt's ready, hit go, and boom. ChatGPT and DALL-E turn your world into a miniature 3D diorama. Your job, your space, your energy, captured in the most adorable way. Want to try it? The full prompt is in the description. Just copy, tweak, and create. Hit like if you want more AI art tricks.